no rest. Like feel like actually like I feel like every day holiday, no work, my passion. So I can do that every day. When I'm racing, just before, I already like this, just check in. Maybe they don't have, we don't have like a scale like a machine, right? So must be the maybe, exact like alignment. So I always thinking. So they're like already bring the tape something, the measure only that's it, and I maybe everyone don't know. I know. Yeah, I never change. Like keep on going. I don't mind like this.